record.
Alright guys, welcome back. Special day today. I just got these delivered. Here's my PC case, the Master CM690 nVidia edition. I'm gonna have a little green and black thing going on. Here's my Master V8 CPU cooler and a whole bunch of my computer parts in here. I'm gonna unbox all these and let's see what's inside. So what's available to me right now is this long kitchen knife. I'm gonna start with the case first. Remember, when you open anything, always cut away from you so you don't cut yourself. It'd be bad if you cut yourself when you're too excited. Alright, there you go. Over here. Zoom in on this. nVidia edition. I might need to. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Pretty big case here. Oh yeah, it's this thing. Yeah. Hopefully I get this done within 2 minutes. Alright, there it comes. Alright. Move the box aside. Some nice looking piece. That's it in the box, just case and styrofoam and this plastic. Oh, the screw fell off. Hopefully there's nothing in the bag here. Alright, cool. Move the bag aside. Well, let's take a look at this. It's a green little window. That's a 120mm fan. Got my USB 2.0 microphone, headphone, firewire, and eSATA port on top. There's a cool nVidia logo. Still has the plastic on this. It's really new. Master 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1/4 bays. You can fit like 5 hard drives in here. I think they're 3 and 3-inch bays. Power. Green LEDs for power and hard drive disk. And reset. There's a 80mm fan that goes there. I like this case. It looks really nice. Let's turn around to the back. So here's a included 120mm fan, input-output field area, some expansion bays. I think all these are toolless. Water cooling, the power supply has a little gasket here. That's everybody's been liking that. Let's open up the side panel. So here's that Master 120mm fan. Green window. Here's all the tools, all the screws. If you want to use screws, but all these are toolless design. You can just clip it in, clip it out. The hard drive holders. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the these wires are for the top connectors. Place for a 140 or a 120 fan. The hardware is in here. And yeah, that's it for this one. We'll put this back together. And I probably won't have enough time to do 3 unboxings, so I'm gonna cut this in this video with just the case, and then I'll start another video to unbox the rest of the contents. Yeah, so this case, it's been getting a lot of popular and high reviews because the style, and for all you nVidia fanboys. Take a look. nVidia CM690 ATX mid-tower case. Thank you guys for watching.